Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to change password in your sketchbook. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.autodesk.com/products/sketchbook/overview. Then you will end up in this page where you need to tap on your profile icon. So now here you need to select the password and security option and tap it on. After you do so, you will end up in this kind of interface where you can find the password option. So simply press on the password option and type in your current password, your new password, and after you are done filling in both the credentials, all you need to do is re-enter your new password once again. So after this, tap on the save button and you're all set with your changed password. So this is how you change password in your sketchbook. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.